How to change language in Genshin Impact. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your language setting in Genshin Impact game. So the first thing to do is to launch open the Genshin Impact application on your device. Once you're inside the main game section of Genshin Impact after logging in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your Paimon icon. This will take you to this expanded menu. From here, tap on the gear icon on the left. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, select language from the left hand side. Now go to the drop down right next to game language. Tap on it and choose a different language preference you want for your display. After making a selection, you'll immediately notice the difference. Just select a language option and you have successfully changed language in the game. So that's how you easily change the language setting in Genshin Impact with just a few taps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.